What is in front of your screen is an iPad, but it's not any iPad. It's an iPad2 that has a ZAGG ZAGGmate iPad keyboard below it. It's literally as simple as picking that up, putting your iPad in it, making sure it doesn't fall out, and bang, now you've got a keyboard. Pesky blog posts, long emails, and all those things that you want to type till tomorrow with is done. Yes, my dear people, my name is Hendrik and I'm from pricecheck.co.za, and unfortunate to say, I'm part of Keyboards Anonymous. I can't live with them, can't live without them. The ZAGG ZAGGmate keyboard for iPad 2 is without a doubt an investment of note. One thing, just make sure that you have a cable with you at all times, because this keyboard, yes, she is heavy on battery and you will be charging it for a while, but it's not a game breaker. Thus, simple. Get your ZAGG ZAGGmate iPad keyboard and ta-da, all solved.